Ciao, everyone. I know you have heard that word many times. Do you have any idea what it means? Hello. Alright. So, for the information of everybody, when you say Xin Chao, it means hello or welcome. And in behalf of the Paradise Elegance Cruise Team, we would like to welcome you on board. Okay, so now let us first introduce to you the staff that will take care of you during your stay with us. So in case you need assistance on board, you know the dedicated person to help you. My name is Belle and I am your cruise manager. So if you need my assistance, look for the jingle bell. Yes. And also, I will inform you your bartender because I know many of you here will order your drinks. So this is your bartender, Mr. Kwang. And also, there will be butlers that will assist you during your mealtime because some of you have food allergy. Some of you have food requests. With that, this is Fong and Alani. And of course, one of the most important man on the ship without this handsome fat juicy guy here. Our chef, Alright, and later on, our Tenderboat captain will bring you to your excursion. So when you go to the island of Tenderboat, this is our captain for you, Captain Vu Van Zyl. And later on in the afternoon and after the dinner time, there will be live band performance. So for singing and dancing, this is our master entertainer, Mr. Boye. And also, in case you want to have more relaxation on board, you need your massage, you need your facial. Yes, we have the therapist, Miss